Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by checking prerequisites, confirm model and iOS version, and have the carrier QR or activation code ready. Once done, backup settings to iCloud so you can restore if needed. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, and select Add Cellular Plan. Scan the QR or enter SMDP plus details manually. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on while activating. Carriers often validate online. If prompted, choose a label for this line. This gets the ESIM registered with the carrier. Once the profile downloads, you'll see the new cellular plan listed. Tap it and follow carrier prompts to activate. You must assign the ESIM for cellular data or for voice, choose primary or secondary accordingly, and set default voice line or enable cellular data switching if needed. Make sure iMessage and FaceTime use the correct number in their settings. If activation hangs, toggle airplane mode off and on, then retry activation. These routing choices determine which line handles calls, SMS, and data. Finish by testing a call, sending an SMS, and browsing the web to confirm the ESIM works. If service is missing, go to Settings Cellular, remove the ESIM profile, then reinstall using the original QR or activation details. This often clears provisioning errors. If problems persist, note the ICSID and SMDP Plus shown in settings and contact the carrier. Ask them to re-provision the ESIM on their network. One key tip: reboot after any carrier side change to force a fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.